Yes, hello guys, once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Renette, your lecturer in information literacy. So for today, let's look about a new thing in information literacy, that is Mendeley installation. So people may not know what Mendeley installation is. Mendeley is a pre-management referring software used by students and researchers to organize research materials. They can also store their papers and create excitations on that Mendeley. So let's see how you can install it on your desktop. So follow with me. You come here on Google Chrome, you open, come here on search, you search Mendeley. So Mendeley desktop 1.19, so you shall download this one. So now it's here. You come here and download for Windows, so it's here being downloaded. One download in progress, so it is being downloaded. So it depends on your internet speed. If the speed is so fast, it downloads very fast. But when the speed is slow, it takes a lot of time. So it depends on your internet. So we shall give it time. You have to give it time so that it can download, or either you download it before you start. So far it is downloading still. So now that it is done, you open it. So now we start setting it up. You click here on next. So they give you license agreement, you agree. Choose install location. Either you choose this one or anywhere you want. Program this one, Mendeley desktop. Let's choose that one. So Mendeley desktop, you install now. So now it is being installed. Yeah. You wait as it is being installed, it first finishes. So after getting installed, completing Mendeley setup wizard, run this Mendeley, so you finish. So here when a Mendeley is open, they bring you to sign in. You put your email, but they say that you need to create a strong email. So we shall create some email here. So we continue. We continue. So after putting the email, you continue. Enter a valid email. They can be wanting to create a very strong email. So after putting in your email, they ask you the given name. You put the given name. Renate. So they ask you the family name. You also give it a family name. So then they ask you the password. The password must be strong. So after you have created a strong password, if you want to register, you come here and register. Or if you already have an account, you say I already have one. So you save these passwords. You continue to sign into Chrome. So you put if you want to sign into Chrome, you put your email where you want to sign it. But now that it is already installed on your desktop, so hey viewers, please help me subscribe, like, and comment on my YouTube channel. This is your lecturer in information literacy Renette. Stay tuned, stay blessed. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.